Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Midori here. Today we are unboxing January's Wolf Thyme box. It's the smallest box. I got this as a birthday gift back in November, so this is the last box that I will be getting for a while. I do hope to bring this back to my series later this year, but I am really excited for this. I am very grateful and thankful that I got this as a gift. But without further ado, let's get started. Oh, and wait till the end of the video because I will be announcing the December Witches Roots giveaway and who won it, and then I will be reaching out to that person so that I can send it their way. But without further ado, let's get started. And I am using a new lighting source. I got these really cool soft light boxes. So just let me know if you like the lighting or if I need more lighting, because I'm only using one and now I got two. So I'm really excited. I think one should be enough because this is a smaller space. But I'm hoping that this works a little bit better. But anyways, this is the box it comes in. The label I ripped off. And then here it is. Let me open this up. And I did kind of pre-open it so I didn't have to tear the thing. But, oh, this is new. So before, we would get like a pamphlet, and it looks like she put it just all on a business card. So that's really cool. So it's got all of her social media. Kate Grady is the creator and artist and owner of Wolf Thyme. And what's really cool is you always get a piece of artwork in your boxes, and she creates those. And she records them on YouTube. So definitely check out her. I think it's the Luna Loft. I could be wrong. Let me look at the Luna Loft on YouTube. All right, and then you always get a little pamphlet right here that tells you everything that is in the box, and I'm going to be reading these to you as we pull them out. What's really awesome about this paper is you can plant it in the ground, and it has wildflower seeds in it, so you can plant it and flowers will grow from it. So I'm keeping these for the springtime. Oh, and what's this? It says, thank you for your patience and appreciation for your understanding of our delayed products. We want to give you 10% off anything in the shop with the code THANK-YOU10. This is a one-time special just for you. So hope you get to grab that treasure. That's really nice. Thank you, Kat. That was really nice of you. You didn't have to do that. But anyways, here it is, and I want to read. So the theme is recharged, and it says, Happy New Year from Wolf Thyme. This month's theme is recharge. We'll be focusing on the full moon and sun energies that helps us refill our spirits and charge up our magic. It is time to focus on our goals, our inspirations, and our manifestations in 2021. Okay, I moved the light around a little bit. Sorry about that, guys. Just felt like it was dark. Okay, so the first thing we have in the box is the artwork, and it looks like it's 3 weasels. Those are really pretty. Yeah, so we're going to take it out of its box and see. Put it up here while I read it. So there's, struggling today. There we go. There we go. Alright, so let's see what they say about the artwork. So it's called the Peking Ferret. So they're ferrets. The Peking Ferret is an original watercolor painting by Kat Grady of a trio of ferrets peeking out from their earthly den. The ferret, as a shaman power animal, helps you endure and thrive while conserving your resources, which can come in handy when opportunity knocks. Call upon the ferret for being more playful, adventurous, clever, and having intense focus. It will help you see through any illusions and keep your vision keen on your goals. And then the energy root is the root. Energy center is the root. Minerals jasper. Element is earth. And then it says go to the YouTube channel, the Luna Loft, to see your print come to life in a time-lapse painting. So I definitely check that out because it is really, really cool to watch her create her art. And I'm curious to see what this string is with the yellow. Oh, it's okay. So it's like a metallic-y, shiny yellow. Oh, so stuff is falling through. I'm gonna move this. I'm just right over here for now, so I can see a little bit better. Okay. Looks like there's a card in here. Yep. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff in here. Hold on. Let me see. I don't want to like. Okay. So it looks like you get this metallic card, piece of paper, string, and then it looks like stickers of. I thought I saw another one. Yeah, of flowers. So I'll have little pictures up so you guys can see each one. So put that there, and then vision. Oh, it's a vision board kit. Okay, okay. I'm gonna lay that right there, and then we got this oracle card, and it's inner integration. There is a piece, equilibrium, sorry, and fulfillment in integrating in the inner world with the taming and tempting effect of life that life has on us. Ooh. And let's see what it said about this kit. Vision board kit. In your kit, you will have a piece of gold paper for solar energy, stickers, and a string of yarn. Use them to start your vision board, inspiring you to create a manifested life. Use photos from the computer, old magazines, or from anything that will help you with your goals. Focus on the words, the intentions, and the energy put into it. You can use the yarn to create a knotted spell to add more power to your board as well. Hang it in a place where you will see it often so that you can bring it to the specific things you want for your year. The more clear you are with what you put on it, the better the universe can work for you. Oh, I can't wait to do that. That'll be a lot of fun to do. And I like that it tells you, like this right here tells you how to do it. So that is really cool. And this card, if you're interested in the deck, it is from the Lantern Oracle by Angelina Marabito. That is really pretty. And you can get the full deck on Wolf Thyme's website. So that's really cool. Alright, let's go for the next item, which is a tea. And it's Sencha green tea. Oh, it's just a regular organic loose leaf green tea. Ooh, I can't wait. I can't wait. Okay, so let's read about this, because I love green tea. Your tea selection of this month is Sencha green tea, which will keep you alert, motivated, and charged with antioxidants and vitamins. It helps with immunity, weight loss, anti-aging, viruses, and acts as an anti-inflammatory. Hand blended is best used in a loose leaf tea bag, included in your box, or a loose leaf teapot. Add boiling water and brew for 5 to 7 minutes. And then it's by the Organic Herb Shop, which is a woman-owned small business in California, I believe. So I'm actually really excited. And they always give you a little bag to use your tea for. So I really do appreciate that. I'm excited to I'm gonna open it up now because I want to smell it. Oh, that smells so good. I'm gonna have to make some of this like right after this video. Okay, so the next thing we'll go for is this. It looks like it's a crystal. Oh, it looks really interesting. Okay, let me open it on camera. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's really cool. Look at that. It's like, I'm interested to see what this is. And the shape of it's really cool too. Oh, okay, let's read what that is, because that looks really, really cool. Let's see, it's a Caribbean calcite tumbled crystal. A fairly new crystal found in Pakistan in 2019, this soothing crystal combines blue calcite and creamy brown tones of aragonite. They are not many theories on the properties of this crystal out yet because it needs more time to show their differences. However, if you pull from its elements, it is a combination of the throat, crown, and root chakra energies. Those characteristics would mean that it helps you channel your inner wisdom and abilities, grounds you in meditation, and helps you with your authentic communication. Hold it in your hand and see what it feels like to you. When I held this stone, it gave me a feeling of relaxation, mind wander, and peacefulness, similar to a vacation. Even when you look at it, the crystal resembles the clear Caribbean Ocean and the soft sands of the shore of the islands. Be sure to charge it up with the next full moon and cleanse it often. I am really excited about this crystal. That is gorgeous. I've never seen such a unique piece, other than the wood that we got from the honey box from Bumblebee Fern. That was a very neat piece. That caught me off guard. So this one would probably be my second catch me off guard crystal. That's really, I can't wait. I already know which altar I'll be putting that on once it gets cleansed. And last but not least, oh, we got a box. It's kind of heavy. I'm going to move this out the way. Do you guys hear that? I wonder what it is. Okay, so let me open it. So there's, just so you guys can see what I'm seeing, there's little plastic. Okay. Is this what I think it is? Oh my gosh. Okay, okay, this just made my day. Okay, so as you can tell, we've got these little bitty pins, hanging pins, and then something to mount your wall with. Is this a moon phase thing? Let me see. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, it's a moon phase. I'm probably tangling this up. I'll be right back. I'm going to untangle this. Okay, I took off the little packages, which I appreciate. I will definitely reuse these. And I didn't want to take it completely out because I'm going to hang it. I already know where I'm going to hang it. So as soon as I hang it, I will definitely put an Instagram picture up. But that is so, and it's not as heavy as you think it's going to be, but you can tell it's going to be one of those ones that goes across and then hangs. And it looks like this is made out of, it kind of sounds like it's made out of wood, or feels like this part's made out of wood, but then this is definitely made out of metal. Let me read about it. This is so pretty. It's the phases of the moon. I love this. Like, oh my god, I've been wanting one of these for like ever. Let's see. Yes, it is a moon phases gold garland. This golden plated garland has the moon phases handcrafted and danced from a chain to hang in your sacred space. The gold reminds us of the solar energy that beams from the full moon's face, and the phases remind us to recharge our mind, body, and soul every full moon. Each phase has its own important role, but the full phases create abundance for our life, fills up our crystals, recharges our tools, and lets us start fresh. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait. I know exactly. I didn't think I knew where I was going to put it, but then I looked to my right and I was like, oh, I know exactly where I'm going to put that. So I will definitely give you guys a picture of where I hang that today. It goes, I spend your inner, wait. Okay, so sorry. So at the end of this letter, it says, I send your energy of a refreshing breeze, a nice nap in the sun, and a night light by the full moon. I hope that these treasures help you recharge for the new year and gave you much needed self-care. Much love. Don't forget to plant the seeded paper when you're done for wildflowers. And then next month's theme is empowerment, and it says we will focus on bringing your empowering rituals, tools, and self-care items to bring your empowerment energy. Using the vibrations of nature, we will create to source and use divination and our intuitions to create an empowered life. So if you're wanting to see next month's theme, empowerment, since I won't unfortunately be able to have that box, definitely I will link some YouTubers that do unbox these. That way you can follow them as well. But let me, and what everyone has been waiting for, the winner of the December 2020 Witches Roots box plus the 2 to 3 gifts extra is Curvy Allergista. Curly Allergista, I will reach out to you tomorrow to let you know all the specifics, because I'll need to get your address. I can send it your way. Once we hit 200 subscribers, I will have another giveaway. So definitely like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for the support. I'm so happy that I could give back to my subscribers. I definitely want to give back more often. But thank you again, Curvy. Congratulations on your giveaway, and I will reach out to you. Everyone have a wonderful day. Thank you. Blessed be.